We read in Quran, Surah Baqarah, Ayah 136. It reads like that. Say ye, we believe in Allah and the revelation given to us and to Abraham, Ismail, Isaac, Jacob, and the tribes, and that given to Moses and Jesus, and that given to all prophets from their Lord. We make no difference between one and another of them, and we bow to Allah in Islam. Here we can see that Allah is teaching that there is no difference between the books of prophets. So, if book of Muhammad, that is Quran, is preserved and it is eternally preserved, then the Bible, which is collection of the books of prophets, is also preserved and eternally preserved. Muslims like to claim that the books of the prophets are corrupted or lost. But we read in Quran 350 that Isa Masih attested, confirmed the books of the prophets. That means books of the prophets were authentic and available during the time of Isa Masih. Now Quran was revealed about 600 years after Isa Masih, and there is no evidence that the books of the prophets got corrupted or lost during these 600 years. And also, Allah confirmed the books of the prophets by teaching that there is no difference between the books of prophets. So, if the Muslims are claiming that Bible is corrupt or the books of the prophets are corrupt, then they are actually telling that what Allah has taught in Surah 2, that is Surah Baqarah, Ayah 136, that there is no difference between one and another of them, is a lie. Now, this is not what I am saying. This is what Muslims are proving. This is what the Muslims are telling themselves, that Allah had made difference between the books of prophets, and yet Allah had claimed in Surah 2, Ayah 136, that there is no difference between one and another of them. So, should I accept Allah's words as final authority, or should I accept what Islam and Muslims are claiming? If Bible is corrupt, if the Gospels are lost, then Allah can never say in Surah 2, Ayah 136, that we make no difference between one and another of them. That will be a lie. But Allah cannot lie. That means Bible is not corrupt, Gospel is not corrupt, and interpretation of the Muslims and Islam is wrong. May Allah give us wisdom to understand His guidance. Ameen.